Carissa Moore sets up an amazing final here.
Jams the pocket, throwing a lot of water and looking for a big finish now, the Hawaiian. Carissa Moore will be the Roxy Pro champion. What a moment for the Hawaiian.
She'll go up in the white water for a tight jam to take the lead.
There we have your champion, the three-peat from Carissa Moore. Drifting right there. That was so effortless from Carissa.
Carissa Moore, your Swatch Women's Pro champion in 2015. Carissa Moore makes it official, back to #1 in the world. As we look at Carissa Moore lock in on the takeoff, a beautiful tube for the three-time world champ. High line down carve, but she's saving the best for last. It's a perfect 10.
Carissa Moore, you little legend. That was unbelievable.
Elation for Carissa Moore. She is the 2015 world champion.
It's crazy being in a title chase. There's so many ups and downs. I've enjoyed the whole ride, and it's really cool to see it pay off. Congratulations, you did it. Thanks, Papa.
3 times.
Yeah, Dad. I love you.
Have fun.
I love you, Dad. I love you, Mom.